to Eryn's Toy Review channel. Today, we're going to unbox LOL Surprise JK series. We have here M.C.SWAG and Neon Cutie. So, this mini fashion doll has 15 surprises inside. And let's start unboxing. So we're going to open now. So let's cut. Yay! We'll open now. What is this? A heart. Super. Okay, let's open. Okay, we will use this one. Okay. This is her dressing room. Red dressing room. So, let's find what's inside. So, there is a boombox. And a purse. There's a purse. So, and a mirror. Okay, let's open. So, let's get it. Are the garments bag. Okay. Let's open. Okay. You hold. Wait, this one first. You open. Okay. What's that? Mighty? You show it. Okay, there's a bottle, soda pop. This is soda pop. Open. Okay, let's open. Let's open this one. Okay, you get this. What's this? A top, a dress. Okay, there's more. Let's open. There's a hanger. So this is her short skirt, long skirt. Accessory box. And what's that? This is a shoe box, and the size is 3.5. Show it. Where's the shoes? Get. May I see the shoes? So this is her shoes, a long tall shoes. This is her shoes. And then you open what's inside. What's inside? There's a cup. What's that? Earring?
No, it's phone.
It's phone. May I see? You show it. You show it to them. Oh, there's a cell phone.
What's this?
What's that? This one. This is a
Cup.
necklace with a dollar sign.
A cup.
Yes, cup. And this is her sunglasses. So, let's see our doll. So let's see our doll. We will open it now. We're going to reveal our doll. So who's this? Let's see, Jira, who's this? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is M.C.SWAG. So this is M.C.SWAG. She has a long hair. And there is the stand for our doll. There is a comb. This is M.C.SWAG. Okay, she has a long hair on the other side and a braided on the other side. So she looks tall now because of her shoes. So where's the hat? You put the hat. Yeah, her cup. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Look. Okay, next is Neon Cutie. This is Neon Cutie. And we're going to open now. So she has also a zipper here, so that when you push it down, she will look smaller. And when you release it, the picture becomes taller. So let's open. 1, 2, 3. Wow! So there's a mirror also, a purse, and a fashion seat, and third one is boxes, new color boxes. So this is an accessory box and a shoe box. You open this one. That's for Neon Cutie. So let's open her shoe box. So the size is 3.5. So let's open. So this is her shoes. Tall shoes. Oh, there's a kitty headband. You show me. See, where's the kitty headband? What's that? Sunglasses. Okay, look at her shoes, Jiro. There's a confetti inside. So next, let's open the garment box. So, oh, this is her tutu skirt. And then, okay, here you open what's inside. And what's this? This is her top. And then, what's inside? What's that? Juice?
Yeah.
So this is her juice bottle. Oh, she has also a backpack with wings and sunglasses heart shape. What color is this?
wearing?
Pink. Okay.
Dressless.
Okay, we will find her comb. So well, gonna reveal our doll. You see? Neon cutie.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to get it now. You see? Neon cutie. So let's get our doll. So this is her comb. Wait, I'll get the comb. So inside her box, there's a comb and a doll. So this is Neon Cutie. Now she looks taller because of her shoes. Now we're going to test our doll in an icy cold water. So let's see M.C.SWAG. So let's put her in the water. Oh, her undergarment turns into red color and her socks turns into black. That is M.C.SWAG. Next is Neon Cutie. Let's see. Oh, turns pink and with the shades of color blue-green. This is